Hey, it's your girl, Realtor Latoya D here, your favorite new construction specialist. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss a new home tour. And if you are looking for a new home, be sure to visit LatoyaDillard.com to browse homes that fit your style and your budget. Now, if you are looking for new construction near the Catawba River in Rock Hill, South Carolina, with larger home sites and a little more breathing room, this is one you want to see. Welcome to Waterford Commons by Eastwood Homes, a brand new community located just minutes from Riverwalk Park, Waterford Golf Club, and only about 2 miles from I-77, making it an easy commute into Charlotte and the surrounding areas. Now, this community will feature 163 home sites with HOA dues at just $62.50 per month. And here's something buyers especially love. Home sites here can range all the way up to approximately half an acre. That means more yard space, more privacy, and more flexibility for outdoor living. So whether you're envisioning a larger backyard, space between your neighbors, or room to entertain, that extra lot size really makes a difference. Now, Eastwood Homes is offering 14 thoughtfully designed floor plans here, including ranch style and two-story options. Many of these plans offer main level or upper level primary suites, guest suites, spacious gathering areas, and optional covered or screened porches, perfect for enjoying that South Carolina weather. Now today, we're going to be touring the Baldwin floor plan. The Baldwin is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home starting at approximately 2686 square feet with a starting price around $526,000. Now, as you enter, you're welcomed by a formal dining room with the option to elevate the space with a tray ceiling. If you prefer something more flexible, you can convert this space into a study instead. The kitchen is the heart of this home. You will find a large island, a generous pantry, and even the option to add a butler's pantry. It opens directly into a spacious family room, creating an ideal layout for entertaining or everyday living. One of my favorite features is the first floor guest suite with a full bath, perfect for visiting family, multi-generational living, or even a private office setup. Upstairs, you will find the primary suite, 2 additional bedrooms, a full bath, a loft area, and a conveniently located laundry room. But there's also an option to add a 3rd floor bonus room or additional bedroom if you need even more space. Now, this particular home showcases some beautiful design features, including optional windows for that natural light, a Cosmo fireplace with a shiplap surround, and an outdoor living package that enhances your porch space. You can also choose a screen porch option, which pairs perfectly with those larger home sites. The primary bath offers luxury upgrades like a tiled shower, and there are multiple bath layout configurations depending on your preference. Overall, the Baldwin offers flexibility, space, and thoughtful design, all in a prime Rock Hill location near the river, recreation, golf, and quick interstate access. And when you combine that with home sites up to half an acre, it really gives you that balance of community living with room to spread out. So if you're considering relocating to the Charlotte metro area and want to explore communities like Waterford Commons, give me a call. I would love the opportunity to earn your business. Hope you enjoy the rest of this tour. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop me a comment below and let me know what you think of this model. As always, I will see you on the next home tour. Take care.